So the horse is being shod right now by my head farrier Swapnil, and this is Storm Trigger. He's running the derby. We are using these aluminium plates. They are very light, sturdy shoes that the horse requires during the race. As you can see, this is the part that will be hitting the ground. This is where the grip comes from. These are very light plates. It enables the horse to get a proper grip on the turf and sort of accelerate properly. So I'll take you to what the farrier is doing right now, and I will show you how the process of shoeing takes place. So at the moment it's just a light cleanup of the shoe, of the hoof before the shoe is put on. The shoe has to be very, very accurate. Okay, there are nails that are going to be driven in. The horse does not feel pain at all because the nail is being driven into the dead part of the hoof. So there is no pain at all, but the shoe has to be put in an absolute angle, the perfect angle, so that it enables the horse to get the perfect grip. The hoof of the horse and the horseshoe will always differ in size, marginally. There are sizes. So this horse needs a size 5, but the farrier needs to make sure that the shoe is fit perfectly. So that is why he was making those slight changes. Now he's going to drive the nail into the dead part of the hoof. As you can see, the impact is quite hard, but they need to drive it in that hard so that the shoe stays on when the horse is performing. As you can see, the nail was driven in and it comes out from the other side. Okay, so this is the pointy part. This part is going to be clipped by the farrier, but like you can see, the horse does not feel it at all. The nail has come out over here. This is the dead part, so he doesn't feel any pain at all. That one leg is complete. Now he's just going to clip off the sharp edges of the nail that were left in, and he rounds it off, he rasps it off so that those edges also blunt out. This is what he's using right now as the clincher. These are the nails that are still sticking out. He's done the work on this side. As you can see, there are no nails here. He's cut them all off and he's rasped them. It's a smooth edge. So it's an absolute smooth edge. So there's absolutely no friction. There's no problem created over here. That is Storm Trigger. He's finished the shoeing is done. I usually just check the horse after the shoeing is done, just to make sure that his trot is okay and the shoes are well fitted and he's settled in. So that's him trotting. Seems to be okay. He will now go back into his stall where he'll be given some water and he'll be fed his afternoon feed.